Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2263 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's turbocharger or supercharger boost system. And if left unresolved, it can cause loss of engine power, poor acceleration, reduced fuel economy, and even lead to serious turbocharger damage. What does P2263 mean? P2263 stands for Turbocharger Supercharger Boost System Performance. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the turbocharger or supercharger is not producing the boost pressure expected under current driving conditions. The engine computer constantly compares the desired boost pressure with the actual boost pressure using the boost pressure sensor, also called the MAP sensor. If the boost pressure is consistently too low or too high, or if the turbocharger cannot respond correctly, the ECU stores the P2263 trouble code. Without the correct boost pressure, the engine cannot deliver its normal power and efficiency. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2263, you may notice: check engine light on, loss of engine power, poor acceleration, slow turbo spool, reduced fuel economy, black smoke from the exhaust on diesel engines, whistling or unusual turbocharger noises. And in some vehicles, the engine may enter limp mode or reduced power mode. In severe cases, you may notice excessive exhaust smoke or hear loud turbo whine during acceleration. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The turbocharger is usually mounted on the exhaust manifold. The boost pressure sensor, or MAP sensor, is typically located on the intake manifold or charge pipe. The wastegate actuator is attached to the turbocharger housing. Many vehicles also use a boost control solenoid, which is mounted near the turbocharger or on the engine. The intercooler pipes and intake hoses connect the turbocharger to the intake manifold and should also be inspected. The most common causes of P2263 include faulty turbocharger, sticking wastegate actuator, faulty boost control solenoid, boost leaks and intercooler pipes, cracked intake hoses, faulty MAP or boost pressure sensor, vacuum leaks, restricted air filter, exhaust leaks before the turbocharger, or damaged turbocharger bearings. Boost leaks and sticking wastegates are among the most common causes of this trouble code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional turbocharger or boost-related trouble codes. Inspect all intercooler pipes and intake hoses for cracks or loose clamps. Check vacuum hoses connected to the turbocharger. Monitor live boost pressure using an obd2 scanner. Inspect the wastegate actuator for smooth movement. Verify the operation of the boost control solenoid. And inspect the turbocharger for excessive shaft play, oil leaks, or damaged compressor blades. How to fix P2263. Repair boost leaks, replace cracked intake hoses. Repair vacuum leaks, replace the faulty boost pressure sensor if needed. Replace a faulty boost control solenoid. Repair or replace the wastegate actuator. Replace or rebuild the turbocharger if it has mechanical damage, clear the code. And perform a complete road test while monitoring live boost pressure. Final result: fixing P2263 will restore proper turbocharger performance, improve acceleration, restore engine power, increase fuel efficiency, reduce exhaust emissions, and help your vehicle run smoothly and reliably again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.